G'day guys, Ninja here. We've got Tash here today.
Hey guys.
Going to do upper trap treatment, seated. So the reason we like doing seated work is because we can get in the position they're normally in when they're feeling stressed, tense and things like that. And normally it's sitting down these days. Everyone's sitting pretty much all day in the office, in their car, in the couch. So it's where we kind of get a lot of tension is when we're working and driving and things. So yeah, so you can kind of move around a little bit. You can actually get involved in the treatment, you know, so you can kind of get a sense of things that are changing as they're changing. So on the run, and like Tash can really guide me to where she kind of needs work. So I'm just trying to get a starting point where that kind of tendons are joining onto the bones and then just holding onto them. And then once we can sink into the bottom, and then we can kind of do some really good long, slow strokes into those areas that are solidifying up and causing the pain, causing the restriction. And we can change that. We can melt it, we can nourish it, get the blood in there, get the old dead cells and things like that out, and get it to heal, get it to feel a lot better. Yeah.
It's a good spot straight away, an inch.
Yeah.
Felt it, especially with that downward motion. It's really.
So you feel just if I go back that way a little.
Inch, yep.
Yeah.
Yep,
So it's just angles is the name of this game. You just got to find the right angle where you can really feel like you got a really sweet spot. You can just tell when you do body work what's a sweet spot, and then hold it and kind of really work with the person. Don't work on them, work with them, and be guided where they're at, because you can be at a different spot on a different day. So don't just because you went hard on somebody last week with your treatment doesn't mean you can do that this week, because we're a brand new person pretty much. We've had a whole week of different events and different things happening. So don't just assume that they're going to be the same. So meet them where they're at and then work there, and that's where you'll get best results, get best improvements. So just in there, you can really feel. So I'm trying to go along this line, but I'm getting pretty blocked. It's not letting me go.
Stopping you, isn't it?
Yeah, so I've just got to stay on there and just honour that.
Yeah.
Respect that. So it's if you try and force things, that's when you kind of do damage. When you force a door open, something like that, you kind of break the door off its hinges, or you break the lock or whatever. You know what I mean? But if you kind of get the key out and you just open it, everything, it'll open correctly.
Yeah.
It'll keep working.
So you got to have that patience.
Yep. So up in there. How's that spot?
Yeah. It's changed. Changing? Yeah.
Yeah. So it's when you describe this treatment, like the first initial thing is so intense, isn't it? It's overwhelming sensation, and then you got to receive bodywork to know bodywork, and like you need to know that sensation should die off pretty quickly. Yeah. But if it doesn't, then there might be a problem. Like practitioner might be not reading, not tuning in, and they're going too far beyond your boundaries, and you're not ready for things. It's too raw. It doesn't have that consent kind of thing where you're kind of allowing the person to go deep with you, deep into your body, and or have a deeper conversation with you. Because if you don't trust, on the conceptual level or on the physical level, then you're going to have an alarm system go off or a protective mechanism going off, and you block, you run away. You won't be able to go there without damage. And that's not the name of the game. The game is to create flow so that healing can occur.
Yeah.
So that's it. We want to help people. We don't want to hurt them, and they're kind of coming in because they're hurt. Yeah. So we want to
give them safe space.
Safe space. We want to change that hurt, transform that hurt back into function again.
It already feels so much more comfortable to move around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of using this other hand as a support, but also kind of just keep that down. So then you can, you're not just lifting up your shoulder, we can actually get movement of the neck and the traps, muscles, so that we know that things are changing.
That's another thing. If you go in and you hurt, then that shoulder would just want to come up, wouldn't it?
Yep.
It would want to, guarding, exactly. But because I know you've got good intentions.
Yeah.
I can relax into it.
Yeah.
It's a bit coming up there.
Yeah, I can feel that we're coming up to the transverse processes in the spine, so the wings on the spine, so the ones that come out laterally, I can start to feel them underneath my thumb there, and then I know that there's going to be different little bits of muscles and tendons and things that are attaching on or around this area that that I can work and free up and get it all working, get it all happening.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Get that length out. So we kind of, when we're tense, things bunch up, they shorten, and we want to, lengthen this out. So we want to get that muscle nice and long again, hydrated, and back to full length. So you go right up into the skull here.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to creep up.
That is so good. That's amazing, the pressure, the strength that you can do just with me seated like that an inch.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, so you don't need a massage towel, we don't need any cream or wax or oil, anything like that. We just sort of going slow, and then the body just, relaxes and adapts to what we're doing, and you can get really good purchase. And what we want to do is affect the fascia as well. So the myofascial, so the rubbery fabric that surrounds the tendon, then it surrounds that muscle, the fibers and things like that. We want to that case. We want to kind of make that case that's surrounds the muscle inside, the more liquidy stuff. We want that case to be able to stretch and move where it's been bound up, solid and things like that. So that depicts the function, the ability to stretch or the ability to squish. So and that's pretty much what we're doing. Every time we're moving, something's stretching, something's squishing, things are activating, things are relaxing so that movement can occur. We've got, what is it, agonist and antagonist? Is that what that is? So a biceps, the easiest one to kind of know about is your biceps shortening, your triceps got to lengthen. And the same,
comes up,
to create the movement, to bring your hand towards your face type of thing. So your tricep is lengthening there, but then it's the opposite way around. When you straighten it, the bicep stretches and the tricep gets shorter. Look at that tricep, Tash.
Yeah.
The guns.
Look at that.
Look out. Look out, those guns. I'm going to just go over onto your skull a little bit, actually.
Wow.
Just that continuation of the fascia, the fascial continuum. Just give that a little bit of work, just because I intuitively felt like it, and just felt like it was a good thing to do, just to really get this line of tension, just eliminate it. There's no tomorrow. Why come back next week and do that bit? Fuck it. No, don't have to have that pain in your neck.
Another week
for the week. No, get rid of it now.
Do it now.
Yeah, do it now. Don't carry it. Don't carry that burden.
Yeah,
so I'm just going to
that's
slowly come
amazing.
out.
Wow.
So we're freaking out a bit, so just
God.
turn around. You look groggy.
Whoa, that feels really good.
Feels good?
Oh my God. So different.
Yeah, one side to the other.
Shit, that's so good.
Contrast. Yeah. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I can just feel that pull now.
Yeah, on
this
that
side.
side. I have to do that side for you.
Whoa.
I have to do that.
Big difference.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, seated neck treatments, I've been doing these for nearly 25 years, and I've been having that same response, and it's just, I love it. It's because they're free.
Amazing.
and free from that restriction, the pain, you know, discomfort that you've been having, you've been carrying around, the weight of the world on your shoulders, type of thing.
Yeah.
Your ability to look both ways,
Yeah.
the bit of metaphysics there, you know. Like, got to look at both sides of things, two different perspectives, so you can balance it, you can rationalize things, you know. So, yeah, when my little phrase that I give to these guys all the time, when what is it? Got to nail my lines. When emotion is high, intelligence is low.
Yeah, I wrote that down today.
Yeah. So it just means that when you're really emotional, you're not going to say rational things, you're not going to do rational things. But when your emotions are in check, you can see both sides, you're balanced, yeah, you can make a rational decision or you can respond, you know, in an appropriate manner. You know, so you won't have those regrets, or you won't have outcomes that won't be favourable to you and to somebody else, perhaps. So, yeah, so it's a good thing to remember. Maybe don't, because we do have control. We can choose how we respond. So just hold back on your response. A lot of times when it is a heated thing, when there's conflict, hold back, and then just wait, and then kind of mull it over in your head, see the pros and cons, and then have a better kind of response back, because it's the way to go.
Yeah.
It's how we mature and things
Grow.
as people will grow. Yeah, and we're not just acting out, you know, like a kid or whatever. So there you go.
Thanks, Ninj.
Yeah.
Good lesson learned.
Yeah. Get your neck treated, seated.
Yeah.
That's the way to go.
I like that.
Yeah, like, subscribe, you know, share our videos around, have a look in the links below. Our courses might be right up your alley. Calendar, buy a calendar if you're watching this towards the end of 2023. Go in the draw, you could win $10,000 worth of treatment if you're in Melbourne, or if you're overseas, you can come over for a week. We'll fly you over, put you up and show you around town and give you some treatments. How about that?
Awesome.
It's priceless. Done.